Why does your scanner show the P0260 engine code? What does it mean? P0260 is a diagnostic trouble code for injection pump fuel, metering control B, intermittent, cam or rotor or injector. The P0260 engine code indicates that your PCM has detected an irregular or inconsistent voltage signal between the fuel control actuator and the fuel metering sensor. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: damaged wiring or connections, faulty fuel, metering control valve or actuator, fuel pressure, sensor, clogged fuel filter, or bad fuel pump, defective fuel injection pump. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Dodge, Ford, GMC, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.